Thinking about a Toyota hybrid often brings up one big fear: maintenance costs. Many assume a hybrid means higher expenses than a regular gasoline Toyota, and it's easy to see why. Hybrids have more electrical components, a large high-voltage battery under the floor, electric motors, and systems you don't find in non-hybrid models. But here's the truth: that battery, the component most people worry about, is one of the best protected parts of the vehicle. Toyota backs it with a manufacturer warranty of up to 120 months or 240,000 kilometers. Other hybrid components are covered for up to 96 months or 160,000 kilometers. That's nearly a decade of protection, removing much of the financial risk people imagine. Even outside of warranty, replacement costs, often cited between $3,000 and $5,000, are extremely rare in real-world experience. High-mileage vehicles, taxis, rideshare cars, and hybrids with hundreds of thousands of kilometers regularly come through service departments without ever needing a battery replacement. With warranties this strong and failures this uncommon, the idea that Toyota hybrid maintenance costs are far higher than non-hybrids just doesn't hold up. When it comes to the most feared and expensive component, Toyota has already done the heavy lifting for you. Once the fear around the hybrid battery and long-term reliability is out of the way, the next thing people usually want to understand is whether maintaining a Toyota hybrid is actually more complicated on a day-to-day basis. When you look at the official scheduled maintenance for a hybrid Toyota versus a non-hybrid Toyota, the difference is surprisingly small. In fact, when you review Toyota's recommended maintenance schedules side by side, you'll notice that hybrid models don't require any special or complex service routines. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, fluid checks – all of these follow the same general pattern you'd expect from any other Toyota. The only real additional maintenance item unique to hybrids is a small air filter that helps keep the high-voltage hybrid battery cool. This filter simply cleans the air flowing to the battery system, allowing it to operate efficiently and safely over time. Beyond that, there's actually less to worry about in a hybrid Toyota when it comes to mechanical wear. Hybrid Toyotas don't use traditional starters or alternators, and many of the belts and moving components found in non-hybrid engines simply don't exist. These are parts that normally wear down over the life of a gasoline vehicle and can lead to repair costs down the road. In a hybrid, many of those functions are handled electrically, reducing mechanical stress and long-term wear. When you step back and look at the full picture, Toyota hybrid maintenance isn't more demanding. It's often simpler. Outside of that small battery cooling air filter, there's essentially nothing extra you need to maintain. For most owners, it becomes a plug-and-play experience that feels no different from owning a regular Toyota. And in many ways, it can actually mean fewer things to fix over the long run. Another area where Toyota hybrid maintenance costs are often misunderstood is charging. A lot of people still believe that owning a hybrid means you'll need to plug it in, install equipment at home, or constantly think about when and where to charge. With a standard Toyota hybrid, that simply isn't the case. Hybrid Toyota vehicles do not require any external charging at all. Models like the Camry Hybrid, Corolla Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, and Highlander Hybrid charge themselves automatically while you drive. This happens through regenerative braking. Every time you slow down or apply the brakes, energy that would normally be wasted as heat is captured and sent back to the high-voltage hybrid battery. That energy is then stored and ready to be used the next time the vehicle operates in electric or hybrid mode. Because of this system, Toyota hybrids are extremely self-sufficient. There's no special routine you need to follow, no extra steps before or after driving, and no change to your daily habits. You simply get in, drive, and use the vehicle the same way you would any other Toyota. The hybrid system quietly manages itself in the background, switching between electric and gasoline power as needed. This design not only makes ownership easier, but it also removes another perceived cost or inconvenience that many people associate with hybrids. There's no added responsibility placed on the driver, and nothing extra that can drive up maintenance costs. The vehicle handles everything on its own, without asking anything more from you than a regular Toyota ever would. One of the biggest reasons people consider a Toyota hybrid in the first place is fuel savings, and this is one area where there is no debate. Compared directly to their non-hybrid counterparts, Toyota hybrids consistently use less fuel. This has been proven across the lineup, whether you're looking at a RAV4 versus a RAV4 Hybrid, a Corolla versus a Corolla Hybrid, or a Corolla Cross in both versions. The savings show up in city driving, on the highway, and in mixed driving conditions. Even though driving habits do play a role, the hybrid system is designed to reduce fuel consumption whenever possible by using electric power at low speeds and assisting the gasoline engine under load. Over time, this leads to noticeably fewer trips to the fuel station. There are a few factors that can influence how much you save. Climate is one of them. In colder temperatures, the hybrid system becomes slightly less efficient because the chemical reactions inside the battery take longer to occur. This means the gasoline engine may run more often in very cold weather. Even in those conditions, however, a Toyota hybrid still consumes less fuel than its non-hybrid equivalent. When you add it all up over months and years of ownership, fuel savings become one of the strongest arguments in favor of a Toyota hybrid. Lower fuel consumption directly offsets ownership costs, and for many drivers, it plays a major role in balancing out the higher upfront price of choosing a hybrid in the first place. While Toyota hybrids clearly shine in maintenance and fuel efficiency, there is one area where they do cost more, and that's the upfront purchase price. Whether you're buying new or pre-owned, a hybrid Toyota almost always carries a higher price tag than its non-hybrid counterpart. On average, the price gap is usually in the range of about $3,000 to $4,000. For example, when comparing a gasoline-only RAV4 to a RAV4 hybrid, that difference shows up very clearly, though the exact number can vary depending on the model year, trim level, and your location. Some Toyota models have a slightly smaller gap, while others can be a bit higher, but the pattern remains consistent across the lineup. Because of this, shoppers working with a tight budget may find it easier to step into a non-hybrid Toyota. Dealers tend to have more gasoline models available, and they're generally priced lower, making them more accessible if minimizing upfront cost is the top priority. That higher initial cost is often what turns people away from hybrids, even though long-term fuel savings and reduced wear can help offset it over time. The key point is that while Toyota hybrids don't shock owners with higher maintenance bills, they do ask for more money at the beginning, and that's a factor every buyer needs to weigh carefully. The final fact to consider when looking at Toyota hybrids is availability and wait times. Due to their growing popularity, hybrid Toyota vehicles often have longer wait periods compared to their non-hybrid counterparts. For example, a standard gasoline RAV4 can often be delivered within a couple of months, depending on the trim and your location. A RAV4 hybrid, on the other hand, might take double or even triple that time. This isn't just for the RAV4. High-demand models across the hybrid lineup can have extended wait times because dealerships are balancing limited inventory against very high demand. Factors like trim, color, and location all influence exactly how long you'll have to wait. So if you need a Toyota quickly, sometimes the non-hybrid option is the faster route. But for those who can wait, the benefits of hybrid ownership, lower long-term maintenance, fewer moving parts, fuel savings, and strong warranty coverage often outweigh the wait. In summary, Toyota hybrids don't have shocking maintenance costs as many people fear. In fact, with fewer moving parts, strong battery warranties, and self-sufficient systems like regenerative braking, maintenance is often simpler than a non-hybrid Toyota. Upfront costs and potential wait times are the main trade-offs, but for most owners, the long-term reliability and fuel savings make hybrids a smart choice. Thanks for watching.